Hi everyone, in this video let's see how you can create Instagram greetings which are also known as icebreakers inside the SuperIG platform. So for that, from the menu on the left you will navigate to IG greetings, and once this is open you can configure in it. From here you will select the Instagram account. Only the accounts that are inside your platform will be visible over here. Next, from here you can see the language locals option. From here you can configure it, but right now by default it is set to all languages. Now comes the most important part, which is the icebreaker question. So you can add up to 4 questions per language. These questions appear directly inside your Instagram DM as a quick option, making it easier for users to tap and start chatting instead of typing. So let's start. We will click on add question, and over here, for example, let's keep that. Can I have a live demo of your product? And next, let's add, I want to know more about your rocket campaign. So once you have added the question you want to, you will click on save all icebreaker. So this is the way it will appear to all the users, which will open your DM and they can click on it to send the message to you. That's how you can set up smart Instagram greetings using SuperIG. Thank you.